using Chat GPT,
the pay version, yeah,
to answer emails?
Answer email, create emails, create invitations, do research, like anything that I would have an employee or an assistant do, I literally funneled through there.
So if you are not utilizing ChatGPT in your business, you are missing out tremendously. Not only does ChatGPT help you with emails, like mentioned in this video, but it also helps you with social media posts, with branding. We actually use it for our client strategy. Yes, you can utilize it to pitch brand. I actually use it to create 25 Twitter posts. So here it is. This is 25 Twitter posts about content creation. As you can see, it's still going. Now, what's powerful about this is that now I can take these 25 tweets and I can go on over to Canva. Now that I'm on Canva, I'm going to go to social media. I'm going to click here where it says Quick Creation Collection. I'm going to select the type of post that I want. I want Twitter, I want Pinterest, and definitely Instagram. While I'm at it, might as well do Facebook. I'm going to take one line of text, and now that we have our message, we're going to paste it in. And as you can see, it automatically creates social media posts for us. Now, we actually offer this as a service, a content creation service that we do for our tech companies and folks who don't have the time to create. Monetization is something I'm very passionate about, and I feel as though there's a lot of folks out here who are small businesses, who are solopreneurs, and they just need the step. Oftentimes, a lot of people can't afford to invest in my higher level one-on-one consultations, so this is my way of giving. ChatGPT is so new. There's still a lot of things to learn about it, but there's also a lot of ways that folks can be utilizing it to generate income, and that's ultimately what I think I want to do. So if you're interested, get in on a pre-sale this weekend, and I'll see you in class. Well, you'll see me because it's going to be pre-recorded. So yeah, you'll see the class once I drop it. All right, peace.